We're going to make this pencil stand.
Ma'am, I have a pencil stand.
No, but that is not made with paper. We're going to make with paper now. We're going to learn something new. Right? Okay.
Yes.
Now what you have to do is, we have to fold the paper. Just fold it into half to make it a rectangle and press it. See how I'm going. And like, now we're going to fold like this, like we make the boat. Both the sides. This side as well as this side. Both the sides we're going to fold. And it should be properly done. No gaps to be seen. Okay. And please press it properly with your nails. It should be pressed. Now this fold, we are going to take it up till here, till half of it. Where you see the line over here, the fold, we're going to take it till there and fold it again. Press it. It's very simple. Anna, are you doing it on your own, darling? Okay. Done, Kaushmi? Okay, now turn it and fold it from here. Back side. We had it like this. We fold it the other way. Because it was already there, there is this fold, so we fold it on that only and press it. And we get it something like this. We get something like this. Right? And please fold it, press it properly. All the folds have to be pressed properly. This, it was like this. I folded it like this into half and I press it. Now we open it. Now can you see this portion here? We only fold till here, like this, to go up till here, half of it. See, this is in line with this. And we do it on both the sides. This as well as here. And you get a house like this. Aina, I hope you're doing it on your own. Done? Yeah. Now, just pick it up, open it. And this, you see, you just open this flap and this flap will go inside it like this. Now we have to make 6 of these. We have to make 6 of these types. Do you remember the steps now? Or we go back? Now this is 1. We have to make 6 of these. So we'll make 5 more. Okay, right? This is only 1. This is only 1. And we are going to make 5 more. See, it will look like this. See, I have made one in which I keep my Fevicol. But this is what we're going to make 5 more like this. So we go back again. I think you've forgotten the folds, right? We fold it into half, right? Nicely. Always remember the fold has to be nicely done. Now try to remember, first fold, okay, to make a rectangle. Arna, you've done? Oh, very good, Arna. Now, next fold is this, half of it and the other half. Kaushi, fold this to make like a boat we make. Fold the 2 halves. You folded this part also and both the sides we folded nicely so that, yeah, okay. And then now we fold it like this. Fold it like this, Arna. This will be folded like this. And press it properly. Arna, done? Kaushi, done? Okay. Now this flap, open this flap.
Open this flap.
And then put this one inside it.
Flap inside it.
Right.
Done.
Like this. and we get another triangle like this. Now when we make 6 triangles like this, we are going to attach them. We are going to stick them with the Fevicol. All 6 of them.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to make 4 more. Yes. Now make 4 more. I'm not done. You have to put the Fevicol from top to bottom, okay? See, here. The Fevicol should be from top to bottom so that it sticks, the whole thing sticks to it. They stick to each other. Otherwise it will open up. See mine? Look at mine. See mine? And now see mine? It's all joined. Otherwise it will open up. Kaushika, see? It has to be joined properly. See? Otherwise it will open up. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arna. You have to take a sheet and you place your pencil stand on it and you have to trace.
Okay.
Look here, my screen. Now you have to trace. You have to take a sheet and you have to trace this. Take the piece. We're going to trace it and then we're going to cut. Did you get my point? See, supposing this is your, I want to take this. I'm going to put this and then I'm going to trace. And I'm going to cut this hexagon, which will be the base. And then I'm going to paste, I'm only going to put Fevicol at the ends. And then I'm going to put it on that. Paste. It will stick on it. And that will be the base. I made a hexagon, yours will be a pentagon. After finishing, then you can put some stickers or some flowers, whatever you have decoration material. You can do it with your glitter glue, anything to decorate your. In my stand, I keep my flowers also. Arna, I can keep my flowers also. Did you put your pencil box on pencil stand and traced it, Kaushika? Kaushiki? Yeah. Now just put some glue here and put it on that. Only on the ends put the glue, only the corners, and just paste it on that. Arna is decorating. And after pasting it, just leave it for some time to dry. Kaushiki, okay? Arna, you've pasted the base? See how nice? Very nice. Beautiful. Now you can decorate it, okay? Later on, decorate it. Very nice, Kaushiki. Did you enjoy your work? See you next time. Bye-bye.